It's your boy Dreddy. Copy cleaning training with Dreddy. Yo, what up? What up? Look, man. They got me out 11:30 in the night. I get an emergency call. Well, you know what? First, thanks for coming back. You see what we're dealing with? Imagine you had a long day of work, right? You get home, you jump in the shower, okay? And all you could think about is just sitting down and watching some TV. All right? I jump out the shower, and what do I hear? The emergency on-call phone. Because, yeah, people, I am on call this week. It ends Monday. Okay? Now, I jump out the shower to a phone call, and this is like 45 minutes out into the country. I'm out here in Orlando. I had to drive 45, minutes out into the country, but guess what? They needed me, man. Look at this. Look at this. Wall to wall. Man. What I had to use was the claw. That's what we use, all right? And as you can see, I had to go one step at a time. This is the business. This is what it is. Sometimes to get to that bag, you got to be ready, okay? Because it's not all the time that you're going to be able to make money sexy and when you want to make money. That's not how it goes. Real life, when the call comes, you got to be ready and willing to go and to kill dragons, man. So yeah, I was up. We out here. And what we really needed to do is just get the majority of the surface water up. And the equipment is going to do the rest. I ended up being here around like 3 hours. Got home late that night. And I was worn out, man. Beat. All right? So this is what we're dealing with. We got to get these things up. And I mean, an emergency is just an emergency. What can I say? All right? So, I believe we're going to be installing a lot more equipment in this. And, it is what it is, man. But, the residents, they got like 6 kids, and they really need this to be up as soon as possible, because this is an inconvenience, However, the pipe busted, I don't really know. It looked like somebody was playing or something. I don't know. But for the pipe to be busted where it got cracked at, it was kind of suspect. But these things happen. And this is the life. When you live in an apartment, you have to expect these things.